Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. On the menu today, as you can see right there, steaming hot, delicious. We're gonna make some big chunky fat prawns with a beautiful curry sauce. Absolutely delicious. Let's get moving. Okay, let's get started on this beautiful curry. Now, by the way, all of the list of the ingredients, the amount's gonna be in the text below, so I'm just gonna run through what they actually are, not the amount. So we've got here our prawns. Quite big, quite chunky. What I've done is I've just got some scissors, cut them down the back there. As you can see, opened it out and then cleaned them out. There, you need to do that. Coconut milk, onion, fresh tomatoes, cilantro or coriander, garam masala powder, garlic ginger paste, fresh chilies, fresh curry leaves, equal parts here of turmeric, chili, coriander and cumin, tomato paste. We're going to start this off with some oil. We're going to add a touch of water, not too much, and some salt. Let's get moving. This is divine. Okay, so I've got my pan here and I've got some oil in there. I'm using the sunflower oil. You could be using something different if you wanted. We're going to drop in our fresh curry leaves. Now, if you wanted, you could be putting some cumin seeds or some other whole garam masala in here. I'm just going to go with the curry leaves today. Then we're going to drop in our onion. And as you can hear and see, we're on an above medium heat, quite a high heat. We're going to go for 3 minutes. Keep it stirring it. Just as those onions are changing colour, we're now going to proceed with our garlic ginger paste, which is a 50-50 mix of garlic and ginger. We're going to add our fresh chili. We're going to get some salt in there and our fresh tomato. Again, we're going to go for about another 3 to 4 minutes staying on this high heat, stirring all the time. Wonderful, incredible stuff already. I love this stage of a curry. We're now going to get in our powders. Now, if you wanted, you could use a curry powder of your choice. We're going equal parts of chili, turmeric, cumin and coriander. We're then going to go with that tomato paste. It's just going to help that with the colour, really. We're going to add a little bit of water. And we're going to let this go now. Stay on the high heat, 5 or 6 minutes. Let that cook out. If it gets dry, add a touch more water. That is looking incredible. Okay, to that we're going to add our coconut milk. Beautiful, look at that. Really good. Okay, what we're going to do is let that go for about 3 or 4 more minutes on the high heat. Keep it moving. And then we're going to add the star of the show, the prawns. What a beautiful masala we have here. But I'm going to turn the heat down. Not to a simmer, but above a simmer. Let's get our big, lovely prawns. Let's just turn them in that. We're then going to get a lid on this. And I'm going to cook this on a kind of, you know, like I say, a lowish heat. Wow. For about 6 minutes. It will depend on the size of the shrimps or prawns that you're using. But yeah, lid on. 5 or 6 minutes. We're very, very nearly there. Okay then, off goes the heat. Let's get that lid off and let some steam out. Oh yeah, that is looking absolutely divine. Right, that's done. All we're going to do is add a little bit of garam masala powder, which is a beautiful finishing powder. Just a pinch or two. Some cilantro or coriander. And that is done and it's beautiful. Check it for salt, it's going to be fine for me. Let me stir this in and then I'll see you at the table. Wow. And there you go, absolutely wonderful. Very easy to make, super, super delicious. We hope you enjoy that. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Give us a thumbs up and leave us a comment. We hope you're well, we hope you're safe. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.